you ever tasted a sweet tender date and wondered what makes this ancient fruit so special? Grown in some of the toughest climates on earth, the date is a true symbol of strength and nourishment. In recent years, dates have gained attention, not just for their delicious taste, but also for their health benefits. They are packed with natural sugars, fiber, and bioactive compounds that support overall well-being. In this video, we will explore the nutritional value and health benefits of dates based on scientific research. We will look at what the latest studies say about this amazing fruit. So let's get started. Before I go on, I want to invite you to subscribe to our channel. We are always adding new content, so there's new stuff to watch. If you have an idea for a video, drop it in the comments below. Dates are packed with natural sugars, making them a great source of quick energy. While low in protein and fat, they are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and powerful plant molecules that support good health. The soft, sweet date contains natural sugars like glucose and fructose, dietary fiber for better digestion, essential B vitamins, vitamin A, and important minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and iron. Fresh dates tend to have more nutrients than dried ones. The pulp of date fruit is a rich source of bioactive molecules, especially phenolic acid, flavonoids, and carotenoids, which contribute to their antioxidant and health-promoting properties. Among the phenolic acids, gallic acid is often the most abundant, along with para-comeric, vanillic, syringic, caffeic, ferulic, and chlorogenic acid. These vary depending on the date variety, ripening stage, and growing conditions. Flavonoids such as quercetin, rutin, isoquercetin, isoamnitin, hesperidin, and camphorol are also present, with quercetin being especially prominent in some Saudi varieties. The pulp also contains valuable carotenoids, mainly lutein, along with alpha-carotene, beta-carotene, and beta-cryptoxanthin that give the fruit its color and offer provitamin A activity and antioxidant effects. These natural compounds make date fruit pulp a functional food with potential health benefits. Traditionally, dates have been used to address stomach problems, fever, and high blood pressure. Scientific research now continues to uncover even more ways they may support health. Date pulp is rich in natural antioxidants that help protect our cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Many lab studies have found that date pulp can reduce oxidative stress and support the body's natural defense systems. The soft, sweet pulp of dates also help fight bacteria. Research from different countries has shown that extracts made from date pulp can stop the growth of harmful bacteria like E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, and Salmonella. This natural antibacterial effect likely comes from plant-based antioxidants, which create conditions that make it hard for bacteria to grow and survive. Different types of dates from Morocco, Tunisia, and Saudi Arabia have shown promising results with varying antibacterial strength. While scientists are still studying the exact mechanism, one thing is clear. Date pulp may offer a natural way to support our body in fighting off certain bacterial infections. Date pulp may also help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation plays a key role in many health problems, and date pulp is rich in flavonoids and polyphenols that fight oxidative stress. Studies suggest that these compounds may lower levels of substances that trigger inflammation. In one study, extract from ajwa date pulp reduced inflammation in rats with heart tissue injury. Date pulp helps lower blood pressure, containing natural compounds that relax blood vessels and is rich in potassium, which balances blood pressure. Its fiber help reduce cholesterol by preventing absorption in the intestines, supporting healthy digestion. Lower cholesterol means lower risk of heart problems. Antioxidants in dates protect blood vessels from damage and reduce inflammation, keeping the heart and arteries healthy. Studies show eating date pulp can lower bad cholesterol and triglyceride, linked to heart diseases, and may even help repair heart tissue after injury. Including date pulp in your diet may naturally support a healthy heart by lowering blood pressure, cholesterol, and inflammation. Date help to control blood sugar levels. The bioactive compounds boost insulin production and reduce sugar absorption from food. Some substances protect cells from diabetes-related damage and prevent harmful protein buildup linked to type 2 diabetes. Studies show eating dates help keep blood sugar balanced, slowing sugar absorption and supporting insulin function. Dates have compounds that protect organs like the liver, kidney, and brain. They fight harmful free radicals that damage cells. Animal studies show date extract reduce liver damage and support healing. They also protect kidneys by lowering waste products and repairing toxin damage. For the brain, dates may protect against Alzheimer and Parkinson's by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, linked to better memory and lower risk of brain disorder. Date pulp contains substances that might protect against cancer. Animal and lab studies show compounds in dates slow growth of cancer cells, including breast, colon, lung, and prostate cancers. Including date pulp in the diet has been found to shrink tumors and reduce their number, with effects similar to those of some anti-cancer drugs. Some human studies suggest eating dates may lower cancer risk by protecting cells from damage. Date pulp has natural fibers with prebiotic effects. These fibers feed good bacteria in the gut, supporting healthy digestion and gut balance. Testicular torsion can cause serious damage due to free radicals buildup, and in some cases even lead to infertility. But interestingly, studies in rats found that giving date pulp extract before the injury helped protect against this damage. Date pulp's antioxidants lowered harmful stress, improving testicle health and function. This suggests eating date pulp may protect testicles and support fertility. Date pulp contains natural compounds that help strengthen the immune system. Studies show it can increase important immune cells and proteins that fight infections. These compounds support both the body's first defense and long-term immune response. Eating date pulp regularly may help keep your immune system strong and better prepared to fight off illnesses. Date fruits are more than just a nutritious snack. They are a powerful source of natural compounds that can support our health in many ways. Packed with dietary fiber and beneficial bioactive molecules, dates offer antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and disease-preventing properties. These benefits make dates not only a great food to eat, but also an exciting ingredient for developing new healthy products. Whether enjoyed as whole fruit or used for their valuable components, dates have great potential to boost our well-being and contribute to a healthier lifestyle. Scientists are actively researching how these natural compounds work in the body and exploring innovative ways to use dates in food and medicine. As studies continue, we expect to discover even more about the incredible health benefits of dates and how they can help prevent common diseases. So adding dates to your diet is a simple and natural way to care for your body from the inside out.